Hello friends, how are you all? Meeting you after a long time. So, in the last video, we discussed about apples from Kashmir. So, you know how the author was fooled and how he said that he is also a partner of this deception because when we are buying without the knowledge or without paying attention and taking just what the seller is selling, then we are also a part and parcel of this deception, isn't it? So now let's do friends question and answers. I hope you know the glossary, you know the lesson, and I don't think so you want me to repeat it. So, first question is, what reasons does the narrator offer for picking up the apples? So, write down. Narrator said that they are not only good to eat but they are beneficial for our health also. So, the narrator bought the apples. Okay. Now, second, what are the other fruits and vegetable with which the author compares the apple to? What qualities does he highlight about each of them? He is comparing apples with other things like tomatoes. Now, tomatoes were not a part and parcel of our life earlier, but now they are essential part of our diet. And he is comparing apples for tomato and mangoes. He is telling that there are different qualities of mango, but neither of it is inferior or superior. Of course, when we talk about Langda mangoes, Benares, Dasheris of Lucknow, or the Alfonso of Bombay, no fruit in the world can be compared with them. In this way, he compares other fruits with apple. Okay. What did the author discover when he opened the pack containing apples? When he opened the pack containing apples, he found each one of them defective. When he opened one, he thought it might be rotten or it might have given by the shopkeeper without the knowledge. But every apple, all the four apples had some or the other defect. Okay. What was the narrator actually unhappy about? He was unhappy about the declining ethical standards of the society. I'll repeat, students. He was unhappy about the declining ethical standards of the society. You will find the answer on page number 113, second paragraph. Okay. How was narrator also a partner in this deception? Narrator was also a partner in this deception because he depended on the seller and he himself did not test the apples while buying it. When does a man resort to dishonesty? Man will resort to dishonesty when he is given an incentive to cheat, when he is given an incentive to to cheat. One more answer you can write. A man resorts to dishonesty only when the opportunity, whether out of laziness or one's own conviction, was to collaborate in the dishonesty. It's on page number 113, paragraph number 3. Please underline that if you want. Last line, last but one line, see, a man resorts to dishonesty only when the opportunity, whether out of laziness or one's own conviction, was to collaborate in the dishonesty. ये आंसर इतना काफ़ी है. पहले मैंने जो बोला वो ऐड नहीं करना होगा तो भी चलेगा. It will do. Only this answer will do. Now next. How are traders better than clerks and government employees? Because traders still enjoyed a good reputation, but nowadays no one trusts clerk and other government employees. Go to any police station, court or municipal office, you will be so harassed that you will do anything to avoid going there again. Hence, trader enjoyed a good reputation. What example does the narrator give to prove that trader can be honest too? Because if we give them more money by mistake and if we go after some time, they will definitely give us money. Our money will be safe with them, and he will also apologize himself for the mistake. So, in this way, the narrator proves that traders can be honest too. Now, choose the correct option. What do the educated classes talk of? Red apples and halwa, tomatoes and carrots, vitamins and proteins. Of course, vitamins and proteins. Tick that. The apples far surpasses mango as it has been proved to be rich in vitamin. It has bright red color. It also tastes good. It has been proved to be rich in vitamins. The author picked up apples because they had received the stamp of approval. They were good to eat and beneficial for our health. They were cheaper than mangoes because they were good to eat and beneficial for our health. Now children, regarding writing skill, I think you will be able to write a short story, The Honest Rickshaw Puller. Format: to write a short story, give one suitable heading as The Honest Rickshaw Puller, have an interesting start, have 2-3 clear-cut characters, have a specific plot theme, include a few dialogues. The conclusion should not be abrupt. Your story has to have a plot theme. म्हणजे इसके लिए कुछ ना कुछ थीम होना, म्हणजे कुछ टॉपिक होना जिस पे आप ऑनेस्ट रिक्शा पुलर का स्टोरी बिठा सकते हो. इफ़ पॉसिबल राइट, or else I'll be posting you, writing and posting you, but it will be like spoon feeding. Okay, now test your grammar skill. This is old one. Let it be. Test your grammar skill, page number 116. Words are used as different parts of speech. They draw out water from the well. Here well is used as noun because it's a name of thing and place also. In order to keep well, eat a balanced diet. This is adjective. In this second B question, well is used as adjective. Same well. He dresses well. This is adverb. Dresses is verb. How he dresses well when he goes out. So, same well has been used as noun, adjective and adverb. So now, friends, they have given some words. You have to use the same word as adverb and same word as adjective. So let's try. First word is last. He comes last in the race. Yeah, he came last in the race. He came is verb. How he came last in the race, that is adverb. Now you have to use last as adjective. He was last in the race. Quality. कहाँ था वो? लास्ट में था. Spring must be used as noun and verb. Spring is the name of season. Okay, it's used as noun. Now spring must be used as verb. Spring the doll up and down. Spring the toy so that it will move. Okay. Now anything you can write, but you have to use it in the form of verb. Now light. Light should be used as noun. Switch on the light. Verb. Light up everything. Okay. Sound. Verb. It sounds odd. Noun. Some sound was coming. Record. There are some records with me. Noun. Record the song. Verb. State. The state is clean. Verb. State the sentences. Lie. Don't say lie. Noun. Lie on my lap. Verb. Now children, further this is actually is the page. Okay, now make as many words as you can with the following prefixes. I'll be telling 4 to 5 words. Next words you can add also. Suppose it's a photo. Prefix. Prefix means रूट वर्ड के पहले ऐड करना. प्री मीन्स पहले. मैंने आपको बताया था पहले भी. प्री प्राइमरी, प्राइमरी के पहले जो स्कूल रहती है उसको प्री प्राइमरी बोलते हैं. तो प्री का मतलब होता है रूट वर्ड के पहले अगर कुछ लगाते हैं तो वो प्रीफिक्स है. जैसे कि फोटो को फोटोग्राफ, फोटोकॉपी, फोटो फ्रेम, फोटोजेनिक, फोटोलॉजी. अन को अनएबल, अनरेस्ट, unused, unjust, unfriendly, undone, unknown, unlike. You can use many words if you have. Tele, telegraph, telephone, telepathy, telecom, telecommunication, like that. It, itself, italic, itching. You can use many words if you know. If you know, you can use many words. Okay. So we will move to one with vocabulary. Can you find out other words which mean same as the following? Rotten. Rotten means, what is rotten? Spoiled. One word is spoiled. Other, distracted. Rotten. Then what? Don't spoil it अपन बोलते हैं ना. Rotten म्हणजे बिगड़ा हुआ. तो distracted. Then dashed. Dashed means, what you have to say for dashed? Come, he came and dashed me. So what you will use? You will try or you want me to send? I'll send these words by post. Okay, now beyond the text we are not discussing. So dashed का मतलब होता है आके टक्कर मारना. Can you find other words which mean the same as the following? Means synonyms you have to find. Harassed. Harassed म्हणजे डराना, धमकाना. इंसेंटिव. इंसेंटिव का मतलब होता है कुछ सैलरी के अलावा अगर आप काम करते हो तो आपको जो मिलता है वो इंसेंटिव है. तो रॉटन का मतलब समझ में आ गया दोस्तों. रॉटन का मतलब होता है जो बिगड़ा हुआ है. स्पॉइल्ड, खराब. रॉटन, इट्स स्पॉइल्ड, इट्स रॉटन, इट्स स्मेली. स्मेली भी बोल सकते हो दोस्तों आप उसको, स्मेली. एंड डैश्ड को क्या बोलेंगे? वो आके मुझे टकराया. टकराने को डैश्ड बोलेंगे. हरास्ड म्हणजे हरास करना, किसी को डराना, धमकाना, एक्सप्लॉइट करना. हरास्ड का सिनोनिम एक्सप्लॉइट हो सकता है एक. बाकी के दोस्तों आपको ढूंढने पड़ेंगे. अगर आपको नहीं मिलते हैं तो देन आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू. और बियॉन्ड टेक्स्ट भी अगर करेंगे तो अच्छा है. ये देखो बियॉन्ड टेक्स्ट में क्या दिया है? आइटम्स, कैरोट्स, रिच इन आयरन, गुड फॉर. कैन यू जंक फूड सब्सटीट्यूट? टॉक टू योर साइंस टीचर एंड मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल दैट यू मस्ट ईट. देखो रिच इन आयरन क्या होता है? स्पिनच, मैंगो, टोमेटो, पोटैटो, ये सब कुछ रिच इन आयरन है. तो आइटम्स है, रिच इन आयरन लिखना पड़ेगा, गुड फॉर लिखना पड़ेगा. जैसे कि कैरोट्स है तो कैरोट्स क्या है? रिच इन आयरन, कैरोट्स. एंड गुड फॉर हेल्थ या फिर टीथ. कैरोट्स टीथ के लिए बहुत अच्छे रहते हैं. एप्पल्स रिच इन आयरन तो है, तो गुड फॉर हेल्थ तो है, और विटामिन एंड प्रोटीन. गुड फॉर विटामिन एंड प्रोटीन. बनानास कैल्शियम देता है, गुड फॉर कैल्शियम. बनाना अपने को कैल्शियम देता है. मैंगोस क्या देता है अपने को? आयरन, गुड फॉर आयरन. स्पिनच ऑल्सो सेम, गुड फॉर आयरन. लोहे का भाग ज़्यादा रहता है स्पिनच में, जैगरी में, टोमेटोस में. पोटैटोस आर गुड फॉर नॉट आयरन, गुड फॉर कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. पोटैटोस में ज़्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स रहते हैं दोस्तों, पोटैटो और राइस. अदर वेजिटेबल आप हमसे एक चार्ट के जैसे बना सकते हैं, पिक्टोरियल प्रेजेंटेशन.